tape comes off really easily. Just,
Okay.
I don't know, probably going after the rocket.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So it just pulls around.
Oh, so
How much do you need to take off again?
2 seconds.
2 seconds only?
Yeah, because it's I need 12-second delay and it's a 14-second. Awesome.
So that's the ejection charge and port. And so what we do is a quick way to check this, just to see where it's at. So a washer is 2 seconds. And you put this on there, you want to take off 2 seconds, so we're going to go on the 4-second side, see if it leaves a 2-second gap, or if it leaves no gap. It leaves no gap. So what we need to do, unfortunately, is the hard work of this now. Where's my little green screwdriver?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
So I've seen this done. I didn't have to do this on mine because it works for it already. Okay, so now that's loose. We're going to toss the washer in there. Toss this in there. And then we're going to set it onto there. And we're going to go in, tighten the drill bit, pull this back out, drop the washer, and then what we should see is a 2-second gap.
Okay.
And so then now you just take it and screw it in. Push.
Should take off pretty quick. Does have a GPS on it. Being set for 900 feet. So again, this is Type 41 yellow rocket with the black nose cone.
Should be good. Now pull the whole thing off and then dump the stuff on the ground. And if you look down in there, should be a little divot. Sometimes those motors are way too big to be
Leroy's
launched.
barking at the rockets.
Yeah, it's a little too big to have set that off that way.
Does Caleb go with the team?
I think so.
Yeah. Alright, so now on your black powder charge.
How much is it?
Now, the cool thing is, if you read on the side, it tells you how many grams you're giving. You're giving 1.5 grams.
And I need 1.5 grams, and they gave me 1.5 grams.
So put a whole thing in there. And if you read your instructions, they come in here and it tells you about the charge. And it says rockets smaller, entire valve for 3-inch, and larger rockets. No additional ejection charge may be required for rockets exceeding 4-inch in diameter. So it will work up to 4 inches.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then the washer goes in first on the bottom, so you're given a washer.
Yep, it's in here.
Chris Morrow. So the Chris is flying is Chris Morrow from Pilot Point, Texas.
There's our crappy igniter.
And I got you a pretty slim gem that matches your rocket.
I love it. Thank you, dear.
I'll take that away from you because it looks like this would work. But
So, washer's going in. Yeah, never mind. Okay, and so then
pop the vial.
trying to.
Oh, I guess I forgot there's a
The whole thing goes in.
Yep, the whole thing.
Do I need to use any kind of like insulator or like cap or anything?
Nope, that's the cap. Nope, round sided down, rounded side down. Yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
Like that?
Yep, and then push it all the way down.
There?
And yeah, you can even push down in the center a little bit and just sink it in there so it gets a nice
Okay.
seal.
Okay.
Because that's your whole goal is a seal.
Right.
And then we can tape your igniter to the outside. And
Once we get there. So now I need to tape my nose cone, don't I?
just a light bit of tape. These are really sticky tape, so just a little bit.
Anybody on the field have a fishing hole?
That is a crazy question, Bob.
Kelsie,
Yes, sir.
If you do, come find me.
good luck. Congratulations on your graduation.
Thank you, thank you.
Stay in touch.
I definitely will.
You know what case they need to try?
I have a case they well, if they want to start
Why is this not wanting to work now?
You gotta pull this up further. Because it's gonna float closer to horizontal.
Kelsie, do you know what case you guys were using?
I thought it was the 5120, but I'm not entirely sure.
I'm not at high temp epoxy yet, though. That's just the West 5120 support.
Yeah, well, I guess so.
The recording of this is going to be quite entertaining.
They need a bolt push higher target.
No, they're doing a pin drop. Here comes the mistress of rocketry herself.
I heard that.
She heard nothing.
Okay, we're going to go out to tab 42.
41.
Kelsie Goff from Royal, Missouri is flying her rocket called ASTERIA. Command count kit, flying on a J250 onboard video. And this is Kelsie's level 2 certification flight. She's a little nervous, so we're going to wait. No, we're going to go. Alright, Kelsie, here we go. At 41 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed my wonderful flight footage from voicing over there. This is my last extra for my ASTERIA videos. This is just the couple of things that we missed talking about in the previous part of the video. I did want to mention I did drill a pressure relief hole in the process. I also did make, let's see which way I want this. I did make rotor retention L bracket out of L brackets myself, and it didn't bother with any of the fancy dancy stuff. This is just the hack my team uses. And let's see what else was there. I did have a fully successful flight. I had a little bit of cosmetic damage. I ended up actually, my chute had some issues and got caught in the wind, and it hit a little hard and broke off my camera shroud. But that's about the biggest thing. I also wanted to let you guys know that, yes, I do have my fancy dancy little test sheet. I did actually pass that, and then I have my certification paperwork that got scanned in and sent to certifications@AAA.org, and I just got the email today that said I actually certed and my new card's on my way. So, just want to let you guys know some of the behind the scenes that goes on at the end of, once you've flown and once you've actually gotten everything filled out, to see the end-to-end process of getting your level 2 certification. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me build my pride and joy, my little baby here, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next videos.